Hi mates, do you believe that you can make hundreds of dollars per day with zero upfront cost? Yeah, you didn't hear me wrong. What if I told you that you could, and all you need is a pinch of imagination and a sprinkle of AI magic? Stick around because today I will show you how to turn AI generated art like this, and this into real dollars using a completely free AI tool, Leonardo AI. And I'm Maddie from AI Fire Tutorial. For anyone who hasn't known, clip art is a collection of images that people can use in their digital projects like presentations, invitation cards, or websites. So to come up with the themes for my clip arts, I will head over to ChatGPT to ask. Here I want to make some clip arts in music related theme. Give me 5 ideas to generate a clip art in pop music. So now with these ideas that ChatGPT had just created for us, I will head over to Leonardo AI to generate some images and click go create new image here. Now just simply type in your ideas for the clip art here and click generate. So just download those images into your laptop. And for other remaining ideas from ChatGPT, just do exactly the same as this one. Once you have a bunch of images, group them together into a package and upload your clip art on Etsy or Creative Fabrica, as they are great places to sell digital art. For the themes of the stickers, it could be anything that interests you or you think will interest others. You can ask ChatGPT for sticker themes that not a lot of people are doing yet. And this is your chance to find a special theme that you could really stand out. For example, here is my theme for the sticker. A sticker shaped like old school cassette tapes has a label that reflects pop music designed with retro fonts and color palettes to evoke a sense of nostalgia. So you can try with different prompts and different themes to create a sticker that you are satisfied with. When your designs are ready, you can sell them as digital downloads or physical stickers. With digital stickers, you can upload them on Etsy, and when customers buy your products, they will print them at home. And for physical stickers, you can also sell it on Etsy. They will print and ship your tickets for you, so you don't have to handle inventory or shipping. Now head over to Leonardo AI, sign up for free, and start turning your creativity into cash. Trust me, once you see how easy and fun it is to make AI art, you will be hooked. And who knows, this could be the beginning of your own little AI art empire. So get out there, experiment, and let AI do its thing.